Standard 5 Subject Social Science. Unit 1 Forts and Palaces. Dear students, you are come to school from your house. There are many types of houses, namely hut, bungalow, plat, etc. Our ancient kings lived in a structure called forts and palaces. Tamil Nadu has been ruled by several empires, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. Cholas, Pandyas and Nayakas constructed magnificent forts and palaces in Tamil Nadu. The Dutch, the British and the French entered our country and they built forts to protect their territories. Now let us see the forts in Tamil Nadu. Fort. The fort is a building for security purpose. The castle is not called a building for this purpose. Fortresses are a material building. Fortresses were built to protect important people and important activities such as kings. Now let's see the Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort is a 16th century fort situated in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It was built by the kings of Vijayanagara. Among the forts in Tamil Nadu, Vellore Fort is considered to be one of the most invincible forts. It is surrounded by a deep and wide moat. The water of this moat was home to thousands of crocodiles. It was feared by many raiders of the fort. This fort is good example of military architecture. It is studded with double fortifications. In 1799, Tipu Sultan's family was detained here by the British. The first rebellion against the British broke out at Vellore Fort in 1806. Inside the Vellore Fort, there is a well-known temple called Jalagandheswara Temple, a church, mosque, and a museum, and several government offices. Vellore Fort has 5 important mahals. They are Hyder Mahal, Tipu Mahal, Begum Mahal, Kanti Mahal and Badusa Mahal. Dear students, in this video we learn about Vellore Fort. Thank you.